Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram camera filter missing. So if you're missing the filter option on your Instagram camera, just like I go on my story over here, but on my case, I'm seeing all this filter, but in your case, you're not seeing any filters, or even if you're seeing the filters, you're not able to use it, or like you're trying to find a filter, but like you're not able to, get the filter we're trying to find. The filters are missing. Then you guys are at the right video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix these problems. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, you can just close your Instagram like this and open it again. Make sure it's not even running on the background. That's how you want to close it. And open Instagram and it should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then just go on your App Store or Play Store, wherever, or like whichever thing you use to download apps on your phone, and then search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, go on Instagram. If it says update over here, you need to click on update to update it. But in my case, it says open because my Instagram is up to date. So if your Instagram is not up to date, update your Instagram. And even after updating your Instagram, if it's still not fixed, then it could also be the filter you're trying to use is only available in some countries, all right? And if your Instagram is also up to date and you're still not finding the filter is still missing, then it could be that the filter is not available in your country, because some filters are only available in some countries, all right? So just keep that in mind. Or the filter you're trying to use has been deleted by the, creator of the filter. That's why it's missing. That could also be the problem. Otherwise, it should not be missing, all right? And if it is missing as well, you can also just search for it. You can just scroll at the right side until you see this icon. Click on it, and at the top right, you can see the search icon. Click on it, type the name of the filter, search for it. Once you find the filter you want to choose, click on it. So for an example, let's say I want to use, this filter called super zoom. I can click on it, click and try it, and I can use it. That's how you guys can do it. Just search for your filter you want to use and then use it, all right? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your Instagram camera filter missing option. And sometimes there could be a bug, so just delete your Instagram, reinstall it again, and it should be fixed as well, all right? So yeah, hope you guys understand. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.